when she looked at me. I knew the girls who speak nobody else can see. All the secret feel inside, the lonely craziness She looks to my soul and leave me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just take me as I am. Come with me, she believed, and that faith is something I've never known before. Come with me, she loves me, and that love has helped me open a door. Maybe I love myself a little more. When I turn away, she knows those are the times there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she lets life through. And when I'm in my darkness, hours of uncertainty, she just simply let me be, and goes right on loving me. Come with me, she believes, and that pain is something I've never known before. Come with me, she loves me, and that love has helped me open the door. Maybe I love myself a little more. Oh, and when it seems my dreams are lost, they play through my fingers. When they just can't be found, turn around, and there you are, shining in your eyes. Come with me, she lives, and the pain is something I've never known before. Come with me, she